We're going too fast!
Hold on, I've got this!
No, you don't! Watch out!
We made it!
That was way too close!
Okay, viewers, without wasting any time, first of all, take a look at these amazing 3D videos I created. Aren't they incredible? Today, I have brought a brand new niche for all of you, and the best part is that we'll create everything using a 100% free AI tool. Before we begin, let me show you a YouTube channel that is dominating this niche. Go to the channel and click on the popular videos section. Just look at these numbers. This video has over 93 million views. Another one has 61 million views. And as I continue scrolling, you'll notice dozens of videos with 50 million, 60 million, and even higher view counts. This proves one thing: cartoon-style 3D content is extremely popular on YouTube. Millions of viewers love watching this type of animation because it's entertaining, family-friendly, and highly engaging. Keep looking through these videos one by one. You'll notice that almost every video follows a similar animation style, yet each one attracts millions of views. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create these same types of viral cartoon videos using only 100% free AI tools. So make sure you stay with me until the end of this tutorial, because I'll also introduce you to an amazing AI tool that will make the entire workflow incredibly easy. Now, before moving to the tools, let me show you how much this channel is earning. According to the analytics, this channel is generating approximately 21.5K per month, which is an incredible amount of monthly income. The channel is called Oko Lele Official, and it currently has over 4.17 million subscribers. That alone proves how massive the audience is for this niche. I have personally created this master prompt specifically for this cartoon story. It already includes everything you'll need, including character descriptions, scene-by-scene breakdown, image prompts, video prompts, voiceover prompts, camera angles, background details, lighting instructions, character consistency. You'll find this master prompt in the video description. Simply copy the entire prompt. After copying the master prompt, open Claude AI. Once you're on the website, simply log into your account. After logging in, paste the master prompt into Claude AI. Now click the Generate button. The AI will take approximately 1 to 2 minutes to process everything. Let's wait for the results. And here we go. Look at this. Claude AI has successfully generated everything for us. You can see that it has prepared every scene individually, image generation prompts, AI video prompts, voiceover scripts, scene descriptions, character consistency instructions. Everything is already organized and ready to use. Take a look at these prompts. They're extremely detailed and professionally written. So our entire prompt generation process is now complete. Now it's time to create our images. For this, I have another amazing free AI tool for you. We'll use GPT Image 2 completely free with unlimited usage. Open the website Manus.im. This website gives us access to GPT Image 2 for free, allowing us to generate high-quality AI images without paying anything. Once you're on the website, copy the prompt for Scene 1. Paste it into the prompt box. Now click the Generate button. The tool will begin processing your prompt. You'll notice the status changing to Thinking, which means GPT Image 2 is creating your image. Just wait a few moments, and here is our very first result. Look at this image. The quality is absolutely fantastic. The details, colors, lighting, expressions, and overall 3D appearance look incredibly realistic. This is exactly the quality we want for our cartoon videos. Now I'll repeat the exact same process for Scene 2, Scene 3, Scene 4, Scene 5, and all the remaining scenes. I'll simply copy each prompt one by one, paste it, click Generate, and allow GPT Image 2 to create every image. I'm speeding up this part because the process is exactly the same for every scene. Now let's check the final results. Look at this. All of my images have been generated successfully. Every single image looks beautiful, colorful, and highly detailed. The character consistency is maintained throughout every scene, making the entire story look professional and cinematic. You can clearly see the impressive quality produced by GPT Image 2. Alright viewers, now it's finally time to convert our images into stunning AI videos. For this step, I have brought another 100% free and newly updated AI tool for you called Vibe AI. This tool is absolutely amazing, and the best part is that it works very similarly to Grok, making the entire video creation process incredibly simple. So let me show you exactly how to use it. First, open the Vibe AI website and sign in using your Gmail account. Once you've logged in, you'll see the main dashboard. Now simply click on Create Project and then press Get Started. After that, you'll be taken to the project workspace. Here you'll notice several options, including Video and Start and End Frame. Click on Start and End Frame, then select Upload File. Now upload the AI image that you want to convert into a video. For today's tutorial, I'll generate one sample video so you can clearly understand the entire process. I've already uploaded all of my images, and now I'm selecting the very first one. Next, I'll enter a simple instruction such as, add smooth cinematic animation with realistic camera movement. After writing the prompt, simply click the Generate button. One important thing to remember is that Vibe AI currently doesn't generate voiceovers. So after creating your videos, you can easily add the voiceover using any free editing tool like Lumen 5 or any other AI voice tool you prefer. Now let's wait for Vibe AI to finish generating the animation. And here comes the result. Look at this, viewers. My first image has now been transformed into a beautiful animated video. The motion looks incredibly smooth, the camera movement is natural, and everything was created with just one click, just like Grok. But here's something even more impressive. After waiting a little longer, look at these results. Vibe AI has generated 4 different video variations from the same image. Each version includes a different camera angle and animation style. That means with a single image, you instantly receive 4 unique videos. You can use whichever version you like the most, or even combine multiple angles together to create a much more engaging final video. If you want to generate another scene, simply click Start Again, upload the next image, enter your animation prompt, and click Generate once more. Repeat this same process for all of your remaining images until every scene has been converted into a cinematic AI video. I hope you really like Vibe AI because it's an incredibly powerful free tool. Now, let me show you one more AI tool that I personally use for almost all of my projects. That tool is Flow AI. As you can see, I've already generated all of my videos inside Flow AI. One reason I always show Flow AI at the end of my tutorials is because, in my opinion, it consistently delivers some of the highest quality AI videos available. The animation quality is more realistic, the movements feel smoother, and the final output looks much more professional. Here are the videos I generated using Flow AI. Just look at the quality. The visuals are sharp, the animation is cinematic, and the overall result is absolutely amazing. That's why Flow AI remains one of my favorite AI video generation tools. Alright viewers, I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial and learned something valuable. If you found this video helpful and you also want to create amazing 3D animated cartoon videos using completely free AI tools, then don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Your support motivates me to keep bringing you the latest AI tools, new tutorials, and fresh YouTube automation ideas every week. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video with another exciting AI tutorial. Until then, take care, stay creative, and goodbye.